This is an insulated espresso travel thermos. I'm making espresso to go. There's something I'd like to show you. Check this out. Check it out. Albion Falls, one of over 1,000 waterfalls in the city that I live in. Nature's tripod with a Joby gorilla pod strapped to a tree. The insulated espresso thermos definitely came in handy today. Guys, I don't have a tutorial or a how-to video for today. Sometimes it's just about having a coffee and going for a walk and checking out the falls. What do you guys think? We're almost at 100 subscribers. Subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next video. Cheers. I don't remember if I parked that way or